Hello students, in this video you will find pH of solution and pH scale. Let us see first about pH. pH of solution. pH of solution potential of hydrogen. In 1909, a Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909 introduced a method of expressing the molar concentration of hydrogen ion. Molar concentration of hydrogen in terms of certain parameter known as pH. Here in pH, P stands for potential. In German, this one in German means power. It means power of hydrogen. In German, what does it mean? Power. Potential. P stands for this. Then Sorensen introduced a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution, that is to know the acidic character of the solution, and this is known as pH scale. Now second point is, what is pH then? What is pH? Negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion to the base 10 is called pH. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion, molar concentration, square bracket means molar concentration to the base 10. This square bracket represents molar concentration to the base 10 is called pH. Or you can write hydrogen ion concentration, this value equal to 10 to the raised power minus pH. You can calculate by using this. Another point, according to pH scale, third point, according to pH scale, here a solution containing 0.1 mole hydrogen ion or 10 to the raised power minus 1, you can write this one, mole hydrogen ion in 1 liter of solution. If this 0.1 mole or 10 to the power minus 1 mole hydrogen ion is present in 1 liter of solution, then pH equal to 1. Remember, if 0.01 mole hydrogen ion is present in 1 liter of solution, then pH will be 10 to the raised power minus, pH will be 2. Like that, if 0.001, then pH 0.01 means 10 to the raised power minus 2 mole, or 0.01 mole H plus ion if present in 1 liter of solution, 1 liter, then pH equal to 2. 0.001, then pH equal to 3. For pure water, the value of pH is 7. Now on the pH scale, the value of pH can be measured from 0 to 14. Remember, pH scale is taken as number which indicates the acidic or basic character of solution. I am going to show these numbers. Here, first, these numbers very important, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is pH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That represent pH. 0 means 10 to the raised power minus 0. 1 means, here I am writing, this is what? pH. pH equal to this. And here I am writing hydrogen ion concentration in mole per liter. Here 10 to the power minus 0. Here 10 to the raised power minus 1. 10 to the raised power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the raised power minus 4. Like that. It represents the concentration of hydrogen ion in mole per liter. Like that. 10 to the raised power minus 10, 10 to the raised power minus 11, 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 13, 10 to the power minus 14 maximum. Now here, if pH equal to 1, then hydrogen ion concentration of the solution is 0.01. What does it mean? 0.01. And if pH is 2, then hydrogen ion concentration is 0.01 mole per liter. If pH is 3, it means 0.001 mole per liter. That one. 0.001 mole per liter. Then which one is bigger? 10 to the power minus 3 or 10 to the power minus 1? 10 to the power minus 1 is bigger. Solution containing 0.01 mole per liter of hydrogen ion is more acidic than the solution containing 0.001 mole per liter of hydrogen ion, because it is smaller than this. Hence, for lower value of hydrogen ion concentration, pH value will be greater. Now here see, this side is strong acid, here acid. Here acidic strength is decreasing, and here this is neutral solution, and this side again basic strength is increasing. Here is a strong base or alkali. Then basic strength is increasing and acidic strength is decreasing. This is for the neutral one. A solution containing pH equal to 7 is neutral. A solution containing pH equal to 6, weak acid. A solution containing pH equal to 5 is stronger than this. A solution containing pH equal to 0, then that is what? HCl, hydrochloric acid, very strong acid. pH equal to 14, that is a 1m NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide, molarity 1, a strong base, like that. Now let us see about this pH. If you have understood, then I will tell you universal indicator. Universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of indicator dyes. It gives different color at different concentration of hydrogen ions. At different pH, it will give different color. Now here, universal indicator is represented by taken as number, that one also. Here 7, like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Different color. Here violet color, indigo color, certain range, violet up to this one, and then indigo, this range, blue, this range, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Then that universal indicator gives the some approximate actual value, not actual, approximate value of pH also. Acid base indicator like phenolphthalein, methyl orange, litmus solution only tells whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. But this universal indicator also shows the certain range of pH value of that solution. If it is red, then we can understand certain range, and if it is orange, it is yellow, it is green. That way you can determine some approximate value of pH also. pH paper. A paper strips soaked or impregnated or saturated with universal indicator is called pH paper. It is used for measuring the pH of a solution. For more accurate value of pH of a solution, pH meter is used. This is an electronic instrument used for measuring the more accurate value of pH. Now, this is about pH of the solution and pH scale. That's all for today. Again, in the next video, you will find again some more interesting and important topic of the same chapter. Thank you.